Sanitation Department on 19th Avenue.
This is the sanitation department on 19th Avenue in the Boro Park section of Brooklyn. I'm counting how many trucks are just sitting here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You see here, there's multiple layers here. There's probably more that I can't see in the back. And this is why our streets in Brooklyn are not being cleaned. I actually see another truck right out here. Now let's go up the road and we're gonna see what's going on inside. This is the sanitation department, a total disgrace for New York City. And just in case anybody wants to know why the streets are not being cleared, this is the reason. All these trucks here. Look what's going on over here. I can't even see. There's 5 layers of trucks there in the back. I don't want to walk into their property, but this is what I'm seeing from outside. Let's go inside now. In the building. How many trucks are here?